Video 4! You made it! You're almost towards the end of the lesson. Well done for managing to get through Microsoft Teams and working out where you needed to be. So hopefully by now you've finished Section 3 and Section 4 of the Microsoft Forms based on the Mozart and Beethoven pieces. And you're starting to get a bit of a better idea about the classical era. Hopefully you could hear those balanced phrases within the melody. Hopefully you could hear a larger range of instruments. You start to hear which instruments are playing the melody, which instruments are playing the accompaniment, etc., etc. A lot of those questions focused in on instruments and instrument families, and so your final task of today is one that's based simply on making sure you can recognise which instruments are playing. So here it is, Task 2, Instrumentation. Using the Task 2 audio and the Microsoft Form, Section 5, identify the 20 instruments that play one after the other. Most of them are on this slide that I've given you here with all these instruments, but you may also need to use your prior knowledge and experience. So I've given you some wind instruments. We've got woodwind instruments here and brass here. You may not have heard an oboe or a bassoon before, but hopefully you'll learn to recognise them. We've got some string instruments here, the violin, viola, cello, double bass and the harp, obviously going from smallest to largest. And some rhythm instruments here, bass guitar, drum kit, electric guitar, grand piano, keyboard, double bass. Within the 20 instruments that I'm asking you to identify, there will be a couple of surprises, so let's see who can get 20 out of 20. Again, just making sure you know exactly where to find everything. We're going to be inside Class Materials, 23rd of the 4th, 2020, audio extracts, and we're looking at Task 2, Instruments. You're also still completing that Microsoft Form, Section 5, 20 questions. As soon as that is done, please make sure you press Submit on the form and turn in if you have to, and then that's your lesson done. I'll have a look at your answers and we'll be ready for our next lesson next week. Well done for making it through to this part of the video. Best of luck with the 20 questions. See you next week.